Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Dahul. Today we are solving an exciting problem pairs with zero sum in Java. We will write clean and efficient code while understanding each step in detail. So let's dive right in. So the problem is simple. You are given an array of integers. You need to find all unique pairs where the sum is zero. Means array of I and array of j. The sum of them should be zero. The output must not contain duplicates, and both the pairs and the final list must be sorted. So, if you see this example, you will get to know. And then, let's get into the coding part. Here is our class solution. We have our function getPairs, where it takes an integer array as input and returns a list of unique pairs. First of all, we need to initialize three data structures, one to store the output pair, another to track numbers where we have processed, and another one to ensure no duplicate pairs are added. So let's start array list. Array list. Taking integer type and I'm naming it as result for storing the output pairs. New array list. Then second one to track numbers we have processed. So I'm using hash set, same integer, and I'm naming it as scene, new hash set. Then third one to ensure no duplicate pairs are added. Same we have to give hash set with the type string. I'm naming it as added pairs. New hash set. Now we need to loop through the array. So we can calculate the complement for each number and check if it's already in the scene set. For that I am using the for each loop num in array. So I will initialize one variable complement as num. Then we need to check condition whether if the component exists in scene. Then we have found a valid pair. So we need to sort the pair as min and max and create a unique string that is pair key uh, to avoid duplicates. So let's if scene dot contains complement. We have to initialize min and max so that we will use the math method min num and complement. Same we have to do for max. Just need to change the method math dot max num complement. Then we have to initialize the pair key to store the unique string. Min max. Then we will check whether uh, added pair contains pair key. Then we will add it to the result. Pairs dot contains pair key. Result dot add new array list dot as list. We have to save it as list min and max. Then we have to add the pair key. Added pairs dot add pair key. Then at last we need to add the current number to the scene set. Scene dot add num. After processing all the numbers, we need to sort the result list to ensure the pairs are in ascending order. Sorry, result dot sort A B if you dot get 0 equals b dot get 0 return here dot get 1 minus b dot get 1 return here dot get of 0 minus b dot get of 0. Then we have to return the result. Let's cross check once again. Hmm, Here return result. Hmm, Everything okay. Let's run it. Hmm, okay, spelling mistake. Yeah, it's compiled and run successfully. Yeah, it's worked. That's it. We have successfully solved the problem with a simple and efficient approach. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in comments if you have any questions or ideas for future problems. Until next time, happy coding.